Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the very top of your screen to pull down your notifications, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. In here, obviously we're looking for the portable hotspot toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. I'm gonna turn off airplane mode as that will need to be done anyway. And let's try to find the toggle. Now either I am absolutely blind or it's not added. So it looks like it's not added. In this case, we're gonna click right here on this pencil, swipe down, and here we have toggles that are turned off. And as you can see, one of those toggles is actually a hotspot toggle. So you wanna grab it by holding it. You will see that the text above here changes. There we go. I'm gonna drag it above, drop it, go back, and now we should have access to it on one of the pages. Once you see the toggle, hold it again, and this will now take you to the settings. And here you want to probably start off with hotspot password. By default, this will be randomly generated, so without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. I recommend getting rid of it, as this password isn't necessarily the most fun thing to type. And then you can enter your own password of choice. It can be letters or numbers, doesn't really matter what you choose, as long as it's 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Additionally, we have a couple additional options in here, like turn off hotspot automatically, which is a great option to have enabled, as once you're probably done using your hotspot, you might forget to turn it off, and hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. So this is a great option to preserve that battery. And or lower, we have the speed and capability, or compatibility, sorry. And we have default option selected to 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which is a good option. It gives you basically 2 of the options that are most commonly used, and also covers the compatibility section with the 2.4. So 2.4 is used by basically every device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity. 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi has not. 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi is newer, and it's obviously going to be used by any device that supports 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and any device that does not will not see this 5 gigahertz network. So here, the device creates 2 of them at the same time. So if you have 5 gigahertz, you might see 2 different ones, or the better one, which would be the 5. And if your device doesn't support 5, then it will just see the 2.4. So that's an option. And if you know that your devices support 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which will be the fastest one, you can change to that. But in reality, this is mobile network, so you probably won't really get too much out of this anyway. So probably it would be better to just keep it at 5, which gives you the versatility and peace of mind that you can just always connect with without much of a hassle. Now, once everything is set, we can close that section up, and let's find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to enable our hotspot. And now on, you can just connect to your hotspot with other devices. And like I mentioned, once you're done, you can either wait for the hotspot to automatically turn off if you didn't turn that option off, or you can do it yourself if you remember about it, so you don't need to wait for the timer. And you can just tap on it and this will disable it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.